Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the top 15 batsmen ranked by most runs in IPL career through data visualization and try to analyze various trends cropping up. But before diving deep, let's see what's the trivia question of the day. So here's the question. Who was the first player to score a century in Indian Premier League as a captain? Think hard and comment your answer below. I will give you the answer at the end of this video. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our visualization. In the first season of IPL, Sean Mars from Kings XI Punjab scored the most runs, followed by Gautam Gambhir and Sanat Jayasuriya. In the next season, Gautam Gambhir overtook him, who was later overtaken by Adam Gilchrist. In 2010, Adam Gilchrist became the first player to score 1000 runs in IPL. Sooner Suresh Raina surpassed him and became the most run getter. Thanks to a great season in 2010 where he was the orange cap holder, in 2011 Sachin Tendulkar took the second position. Chris Gayle, the orange cap holder of the two consecutive seasons for RCB in 2011 and 12, started moving up the ladder. Gautam Gambhir moved to the second position. In 2013, Rohit Sharma surpassed Gambhir and held the second position. In 2014, Suresh Raina crossed the 3000 run mark. Due to his consistent performance. By the end of 2015, Virat Kohli slowly moved up to the fourth position. 2016 was the year of Virat Kohli, where he not only scored 973 runs in the season, but also surpassed Suresh Raina for a brief moment of time. In 2017, Suresh Raina again reclaimed his first spot, though the gap was very minute. In 2019, Raina became the first player to cross the 5000 run mark. Kohli ultimately surpassed Raina and claimed the top position towards the end of 2019 season. In 2020, Rohit Sharma became the third player to cross 5000 runs. So by at the end of 2020, Virat Kohli is still at the top position, followed by Suresh Raina and David Warner. So that's end our visualization. Going back to the trivia question of the day, any guesses? Yeah, it's Sachin Tendulkar, who while captaining Mumbai Indians in 2011 against Kochi Tuskers Kerala at Wankhede scored an unbeaten 100 runs of 66 balls. Hope you like this video, and for more such cricket stats and records, subscribe to Think Stats.